Dear law student, what should you wear for OCI's on-campus interviews? My name is Marco Brown. I own Brown Family Law in Salt Lake City, Utah. I think the answer is actually the same for both men and women, okay? You should dress as conservatively as you can while not dressing more conservatively than your city where you're actually interviewing would allow you to, okay? So what I mean is if you live in Berkeley and go to Cal, you're probably not going to be like super conservative, right? Especially if you are interviewing with tech firms or something like that. It might actually be a detriment to come in a black suit or something like you're going to a funeral. Okay, that might be too conservative there, but that might work well in Salt Lake City. It might work well in Lincoln, Nebraska. It might work well in Des Moines, Iowa. Okay, so as conservative as you can in the city where you live without being too conservative. And the reason I say this is, if you dress conservatively, then you're probably not going to offend anybody at the interview at the OCI, okay? If you don't dress conservatively, you're taking a big risk that you're going to offend the person that is interviewing you, okay? And you may think to yourself, why does it matter? I can't believe this stuff still matters. I just want them to look at me and the content of my character and my grades and hire me for who I am. Yeah, that's all well and good, but we're attorneys, okay? And especially if you're going to a litigation firm, you're going to be expected to dress a certain way because you're going to go to court, okay? That's just the reality of the situation. So I think the more conservatively you dress without being too conservative is going to offend the least number of people possible, and that's what you want to do during OCIs. Although I have to tell you, you're probably not going to get a job during OCIs, and I have other videos on that. But if you want to maximize your chance of getting hired at an OCI, then dress as conservatively as you can. Okay, until next time.